caught up with Sean from River Caravans to find out what it is about their off-road caravans that ticks all the boxes. Sean, what is it that makes them so great?
Well, mate, we build our chassis ourselves, and one of the big features of our chassis are we use Simplicity suspension. On the dual axle Dominator, as we see behind us here, we use the Simplicity LSC, which uniquely is a load sharing coil suspension. Starting off from the ground up, it has a reinforced chassis under it with a larger 6-inch main drawbar, which is 5mm thick rather than standard 3mm that tends to be the industry standard. Runs a centre T-bar to the A-frame as well to give it more strength at the point where the A-frame joins the caravan, where the major stress point is. Underneath, we also run the Simplicity Smart Coil on the single axle.
Mate, Simplicity suspension, what sent you down that track?
The good Australian family business, been around since 1975. Sal and Rita, the owners of River Caravans, which have been around since start of 2010. Been involved in the chassis industry well before that as well with their family. We're all about family businesses and keeping good, strong relationships with them as well. And they build a bloody good product.
So we've kicked off now, we've got our foundations, we've got a good suspension, we've got a good chassis. Where do you go with your construction from there on?
Yeah, well, so traditional build, one-piece ply floor, timber framing, traditional furniture inside. So it's actually got a hardwood framework to the kitchen and all plies. No chipboard, no MDF. We also run a one-piece fiberglass roof to minimise leaks. Also, the Simplicity suspension comes to us modular on a jig already ready to go. So basically it's already aligned, which can be a real problem with chassis and suspensions, with being out aligned and not towing very well. Basically, we've just got to line it up with our chassis weld in place and it's good to go. So it cuts down a lot of time for us in the manufacturing standpoint. And again, it just goes back to being simple.
I mean, Australia's got some of the harshest environment you'll find anywhere in the world. Manufacturing it since 1975. If they were going to have problems, they'd have had them a long time ago and ironed them out by now.
Yeah, they've worked very hard on that over the years. They have a great backing of service as well. When you ring up the company, you talk to the owners, the engineers, people who design it.
Righto, we've ticked the boxes downstairs. What do we got upstairs? What are we living in?
Oh, well, inside there we've got some great features. The full-size queen bed, pillow top inner spring for more comfort, a couple of Sirocco fans, the biggest compressor fridge on the Australian market, 274 litres. That uniquely also has no external vents, so no dust in the back of it there. Also inside, obviously, reverse cycle air conditioning. We've got a couple 200-watt slimline solar panels on the roof to keep everything going, along with a Volve Energy lithium battery. We all know the advantages of lithium batteries these days, much lighter, give us a lot more bang for buck in regards to power as well and how quick they charge up. At the back there, we have the outside storage compartments, which is a great place to put all the outside tables and chairs.
Mate, sounds like an absolute ripper package. Where can they go and get some more information?
At rivercaravans.com.au, you'll find everything you need.
There you go, and they've got plenty of other caravans to check out as well.